So in this video, we're going to talk about what you can actually do once you have a live session running and you have students that have already joined. So we've started a live session, and I can follow along in my timeline down at the bottom. I can switch between different documents just by tapping on the different document here. And as I do so, as I navigate, the student will follow along with that screen as well. Once we have a document open, if we want to annotate or collaborate in front of the group, I simply use that pencil icon there. We might change the thickness or the color, and we can annotate directly on the document, and that will show up in front of the class as an annotation component. I can also save that annotation associated with that document. You'll notice when I come back out that we've saved one annotation with this particular document. I can bring that up and review the annotations. We might even go in and edit, add new comments. Okay, we're talking about the pulmonary artery, and save that as a new version. And when I close out, we have two annotations associated with that document. So that's instant whiteboarding with our class. To bring up an actual just whiteboard at any time, if I wanted to start talking and explaining concepts, I can annotate and start sharing different components at any point in time. And if I want students to be able to annotate and collaborate during this live session, we're going to choose the people icon on the right. We're going to take a look at who's online, and I'm going to allow that student to annotate and join. Guests don't have the option to annotate right now because they're not a full participant, but anybody who joins using your Google Class or Google Contacts will be able to annotate if you turn that on for them. So now if I bring that document back up into the annotation mode, students can actually annotate and share their notes back to the group as well. They'll have a pencil icon. They can click on that, change the size, change the color, and if they want, they can highlight different pieces, and that will automatically show up on the main display. And again, anything that students share can be saved as an annotation with that slide or document as well. We're going to close out of the whiteboarding mode, and now we've actually added 4 different annotations to this particular document.